Hello students, good morning. Today we will learn how to make nature study. Okay, and we will make a flower. Flower is part of our nature. See, we will make petals of flower first of all, then stem, we can make one more flower here. Now we will make leaves. See, now we will make a stem of flower. It is drawing of a nature study. It is a nature study. Okay. On next video I will tell you how to color it. Students, I had told you in the last video how to draw nature study. Okay, now I am telling you how to color it. How to color it. We are taking water tube colors. These are transparent colors. Okay, so we will fill directly or in dish also. First of all, we will make outlining of the flower. First of all, we will make outlining of the flower. We will take vermilion red color or crimson red color, whichever you want to do. We will do only on the outline of the flower. Okay, then we will fill the color inside with soft hand. Like this. See how the petals are looking. Now we will mix one more color to give it shades. Okay. We can use lemon yellow with red for light shade, light effect. We will use lemon color for light effects. Little bit, very small color we will use only. From upper side of the flower. Then we take brown burnt sienna color, brown color, okay, for inner side of the flower. We put color like this. When we use all the three tones of colors, it gives us 3D effect. Light tone, medium tone and dark tone. These are the three tones basically we use in painting for 3D effect. Okay, have you seen all of you seen this? Now we will fill this also with dark color. Okay, this flower is ready. Now we will make leaf of the flowers. Leaf of the flowers and stem of the flower are the same color. Leaf of the flower and the stem of the flowers are in same colors. We will put dark green color in the stem and from the other side we will give light effect also. Just like this we will do the leaves also. We will make outlining of the leaves. First of all, we will make outlining of everything. we will fill the color in the leaves. For the dark tone, we will get dark green color from inside of each leaf. From one side we will give dark shades. Now we will give light shades. We will little bit mix both colors. Just like this, we will make this flowers and leaves also. After it, we can take dark red color. We can mix two colors also, black and brown and red, to make dark color of for leaves outline, flowers outline. Now we will make outlining of the flower with the dark color. We will give darkness from one side only, and inner side we will do dark color to give inner effect. Whatever is inside in the object, we will do dark colors for the effect of depth. Now upper side of the flower is ready. See, just like this you will do the lower side of the flower also. Okay, so try it today. Students, see, I had painted upper side of the flower. Now you will learn how to give this type of effects in the flower. So we will take water tube colors, and first of all we will take red color, any shade of red color. I had taken crimson red. In this flower I am making two type of flowers in this painting. First, in upper flower I have taken vermilion red color, and lower part I am taking crimson red. First of all we will make outlining of the flower. After outlining, we will give light effects of the color. So we will take for light effects yellow color, lemon yellow color. After outlining, we will fill this flower from upper to lower side. These are watercolors. We use water in it more than color. This gives us transparent effect. Watercolors gives us transparent effect. I am using water tube colors. Okay. Now we fill it with crimson red. Next step is we will give light shades of the flower. So giving light effects, we will use little bit lemon yellow color, from upper side of the flower. We can take white color also for this. From upper side of the petals. After it, we will take crimson red and touch of black color to give depth of the flower, inner portion of the flower, we will do shading inside like this. We will not fill it, we will just give strokes. From the inside of the flower, because it shows us depth of the flower. Whenever we show depth of anything, we have to put dark colors. Now we will make its stem inside the flower, which is shown here. We show darkness from one side only. Like this, just to touch it. Okay, now flower is ready. Now we will make leaves of it, leaves of flower. So we will take dark color for the leaf, dark green, like flower. We also do outlining of the leaves. First of all, in watercolors we use dark color for outlining. Now outlining is finished. Now we will fill dark color from the inner side of the leaf and one side of the leaf. We only touch it, give some strokes of dark colors. From the inner side of the leaves, and one side we will show darkness. We will put this type of strokes in the leaf. After that, we will fill a lemon yellow color for light effects, for giving light to the object. We use light colors. We fill like this, and we will mix also. Little bit mixing is necessary. Now we will fill light colors from the upper side, and the place where color is left. So we will fill all the leaves with light color